In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update BIOS ASUS EX-A320M Gaming. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this specific model of motherboard from ASUS, you will be able to update the BIOS using a feature built into the actual BIOS interface. This is called Easy Flash, and all that you need to use this is an available USB stick or USB flash drive. The size requirement is not strict, so as long as it can hold the BIOS files, you will be able to get this done and use the Easy Flash utility built into the motherboard. So first, acquire the BIOS files. You will be able to go over to the ASUS website, so go to asus.com and look for the product support page. So look for the EX-A320M Gaming, and you will be able to click on support highlighted here. Under support, select driver and utility and then BIOS and firmware. Download the BIOS and you will receive some files similar to these ones. If there is a BIOS renamer included, just run the executable and it will automatically ready the BIOS file for you. But if it doesn't have one, then don't worry. All that you have to do now is transfer this file into the USB stick. So once that specific BIOS file is loaded into the USB stick, you will be good to go. So make sure that it is properly inserted, and now plug the USB stick into any of the available ports on the back of your motherboard. Assuming that you are transferring the files, then this should already be naturally done. So now, with the USB stick plugged into your PC still, just restart your computer and go into the BIOS. You will see a screen similar to this one. Now, under the tool category, you will be able to find ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility. This is the tool that automatically picks up on the BIOS files and updates it for you. So you will see all of your storage devices like the USB stick alongside hard drives, SSDs, and so on. Just find the USB stick that you are using. You will be able to browse through all of the folders, if any, on the stick, or usually if you just set aside it for the file, it will be available here. Select the BIOS files and it will begin updating. Make sure that power does not go off, and as long as you let this process finish, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ASUS EX-A320M Gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.